This tutorial shows you how to convert your data from long format to wide format in R. Of course, R provides multiple ways to transform your data. I will show the quickest way using the tidyr-package, which you have to install and load before continuing. The original long format data frame consists of an ID variable, a time variable, and a value variable. The latter is holding the respective measurements, with the former indicating at which point in time they were taken. First, I name the new data frame to my liking, use the assignment operator, and the pivot_wider function of the tidyr-package. Pivot wider indicates you want your final data frame in the wide format. Next up, I will name the original long format data frame. Then you have to specify which variable holds the variable names, usually the points in time, and put it into the names_from argument. Finally, you need to add the values_from argument, and as the name already indicates, you have to define which variable holds the measurements. Now you only have to run your line of code and you will get your data frame transformed into the wide format.